See in a few minutes. The sun is coming back. Attorneys for a Native American advocacy group in front of a federal judge today trying to halt the transfer of a piece of land called Oak Flat to a copper mining company. Oak Flat is sacred to the Apache people, and they say the mine would destroy it.
12 News journalist William Pitts was in court today for those arguments. He's in the newsroom with more. William?
Yeah, there were so many people in court today, they actually had to open up an empty courtroom next door for overflow seating. Now, the issue is whether to pause the land transfer of that land until the Supreme Court decides whether or not to hear the case. The Oak Flat case has been presented to the Supreme Court and placed on the list of possible cases to hear 13 times, but they've never granted it a hearing before the court. But the land transfer is scheduled to go through on June 16th, and then the mining company could technically start building things, roads, helipads, things like that. The attorneys for Apache Stronghold say that if the Supreme Court decides to hear the case, and if they win, the victory won't really matter if Oak Flat is already destroyed. So they want the court to basically freeze the project.
We can know that no matter the outcome of the courts, we hope to win. We expect to win. We expect justice. No matter the outcome, though, we're doing the right thing by fighting. And the legal fight is only a tiny part of this.
The mining company says it's pledged to allow access to the Oak Flat campground for at least 10 years, and they say they have no plans to do much work there for at least that long. But they also did admit that over time, the tunnels that they'll create under there will cause Oak Flat to subside, and in the words of the Apache Stronghold attorney, sink into a hole over time. The judge in the case said he would issue a ruling by May 14th. William Pitts, 12 News.
Well, thank you. Beautiful piece of land up there for sure. Arizona schools